Hi Cayman, this is Kenneth Bryan, Minister for Tourism and Transport. I'm currently in Santo Domingo, here at the Florida Caribbean Cruise Line Association conference. Now, why is that important? Because we just got out of a pandemic and we need cruise tourism back in the Cayman Islands. You may see some videos and some discussions of me and my team talking together about our strategies throughout these negotiations. And tomorrow we're going to be meeting with all the major cruise lines: Disney, MSC, Royal Caribbean, Oceania, Carnival. Obviously, it's important for us to encourage the cruise lines. The Cayman is still in the business of cruise, and that it's important to the stakeholders in the Cayman Islands to get those numbers back to where they once were.